So this is what we got. Vehicles. It's not too often we got two. Hell. Alright. I removed all the staples from the aluminum on the lower side of the wing, and the gas lines were in the way, so it was kind of a pain. So I finally got that all out of the way, and now we're ready to actually pull this piece of aluminum off. So let's see what's underneath this piece without filling my face with fiberglass. Hopefully all the staples are out. Like when it's sitting in the truck, I guess, if you want to say that, or on Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, there's a little trap door. Alright, the insulation has been torn out of it. And this is what we're working with. Which is very nice because everything is accessible for measuring the walls, and that's what we're doing. So, we got the front. We're building the framework for the walls, and then just building the sides. Just rolling with it. We still got to take this off, but that's it. That's the plan. You can get a better look at the support system here with all the aluminum off of it. Alright, this is the long and tedious process of disassembly of all of the aluminum from the old framework without ruining it. Each staple at a time. You know, this is what you end up with right here. So right now we got to get this wing board, we'll call it, out. Process shall continue. It's like pulling teeth. Alright, that's it. Over and over and over and over and over again. We just unearthed ant colony. Try 14 on taking this one piece of aluminum off. Let's see if we're ready. What are you ready for? I don't know. What do you want to do? I just want to have fun. You can't have fun until you do all this hard work. What do you want to do, babe? Go camping? Oh, well, we got to sit here and work on it for a year first. Oh, okay. Is there anything I can help you with? Stand there and look pretty. Alright, here it goes, boys and girls. Oh, we got one holding us. Hope them got them stopped. Yahtzee! Alright, the last screw. Last of the Mohegans. Off-road tires on there, isn't it? Look at them, man. Alright. That's all I do it.